Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy, the host of Chewy, and welcome back to my channel. So, today the market is closed, but I'm probably just gonna go live for like 10 to like 15 minutes just to like recap how this week went. But obviously, if you're new around here, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And then if you have any questions, please comment them in the comment section down below. And then second, if you have not started investing already, um, obviously like the video, and then if you're not subscribed, subscribe. But like I said, if you haven't started investing already, make sure you get Webull and then Robinhood. So with Robinhood, you get 1 free stock, and then Webull, you get 4 free stocks. And then with Chase, if you open up a Chase Freedom credit card account, this is obviously like my referral code. But yeah, if you want to try getting into Chase's Chase Freedom credit card, apply right here. And then I'll obviously Um, follow me on Instagram. I would say you probably already see me on TikTok, so probably Instagram, and then what's the other one? TikTok. I don't really use Twitter, but Threads as well. Those are like the 3 main platforms that I use. But if you like want to ask me a question directly, message me on Instagram. That's the best way for you to reach me. But all right, guys, let me exit out of this. And so obviously we're gonna go over how the portfolio went, um, and then the first thing that we're going to be talking about is I'm thinking about not doing credit spreads anymore just because they're a little bit risky. Because I did get burned. I think it was on Thursday. That's why my account went from 180K to 173K. Of course, when things are going up, like everything is all swell. But like this day right here, I actually like panicked a little bit because I was like, oh shoot, that's a lot of money. Because that was like a 4% like down day. I was like, shoot. But then I quickly made it back like right here. But then at the end of the day, the SPY started going down a ton, as you guys can see right here. Like here, and then it went up, and then just it went right back down. That, and then, yo, what's up, Jeremy? What's up, Clash Royale? What's up, my boy? What's up, Trade Space? Um, Hello, do you teach what you do? Yeah, I can teach what I do. Just hit me up on Instagram, like I said before. It's inside the link tree that's linked down below. So just message me on Instagram. That would be like the best way to reach out to me. What's up, John? Good to see everyone here, guys. And obviously, like I said before, let me know what kind of questions you guys have. But quickly, we're just gonna recap how I did this week. So yesterday I was up 3K, but within the 1 week, I'm down 1.6K. Within the 1 month, up 10K. 3 months, I'm up 15.3K. Year to date, up 15.5K. The 1 year, I am up 13.5K. But now we're going to look at some of the options that I have. So first off, we're going to start off with the credit spreads. First off, I have this put credit spread on QQQ. So as long as QQQ stays above 355, I'm going to be all right. But the expiration date for this one is 7/21. But yeah, and then for tests, actually, I'm just going to go over the rest of the put credit spreads. And then the SPY one, as long as SPY stays over 432, I'll be all good. But who knows where the market's honestly going to be this week. But that, and then I have this call credit spread on NVIDIA. So far, this one's been doing very well. But 455 and under is what I want for this upcoming week. But now we're going to go over some of the some of the selling puts that I've been doing. So I have one on Coinbase, and that's for 2 of them, and they gave me a lot. So they gave me $180 per contract, $180 per contract. So that's like $360 for that. And then I did 10 of these contracts, I think. Yeah, 10 of those. And they gave me $28 for each contract. So I got $280 for all of those contracts. Let's see. And I think those are all of them. And then I have these covered calls. On all of these stocks that on all the stocks that I own, I do covered calls. So with Enphase, they gave me $308, and that's for 2 contracts. So that's like $600. Palantir, they gave me $21 per contract, and I have 10 contracts, so that's $210 that they gave me. PayPal, this one I have 3 contracts. They gave me $58, so that's $174 for the 3 contracts. And I think, oh wait, and then Target's gonna be the last one. So obviously Target went down a little bit. So they gave me $114 per contract, and that's not right. So 114 times 3, it'd be like 345, something like that. 345, 340-ish. But yeah, they gave me all of that premium. But like I said before, one of the things that we're going to talk about is if I want to still keep doing credit spreads, because like I think it's just if I have like a negative 2% day, like in just one day, I would be losing out on a ton of gains. So uh, instead of me being up like 15K, I would be down a lot. But then I have been thinking about it as well. Like, what are the chances of that actually happening? Because it's like very unlikely for the market to go down 2% in just one day. It's like whenever it's like extremely volatile, like when we had, like in 2020 or in 2022 when we hit like the super highs and then we just like came crashing down. But I don't really know if I want to keep doing credit spreads or not, guys. Like there's a lot of risk that just goes into them, and then it's just like the peace of mind of just having the shares and then selling calls and puts is just so much better. But like the upside is that I can just gain like so much money if I do choose like the right credit spreads. Because obviously like within 1 month I did 10K, which is way more than I ever did like working a regular job. So it's just like I'm trying to like balance it out and be like, how should I even do this? But yeah, my bad, guys. What's up, dude? I already read that one. What's your all-time return? The all-time isn't that great. Uh, I'm up 7.5K, but like I said before, right here wasn't. I was just holding shares, so I wasn't doing credit spreads or anything else. And then I even took all my money out of this and put it into M1 Finance. But I've been everywhere, dude. But that's my all-time as of right now. But the reason, like I said, I don't like to look at that is because I haven't been doing credit spreads and I haven't like taken this super serious until now. But yeah, I'll hit you up. I'm down 10% year to date. I'm just getting my ass kicked. Were there like any positions that really like went against you, dude? Puts are safer. Yeah, dude, I agree. Is this the Robinhood brokerage? Yeah, this is Robinhood. What is your all-time return? I already did that. The market will tank again this year. When is the big question? Hopefully it doesn't go down, dude. I respect that you do have a. I respect what you do have it because people calling me a scammer 24/7 would just piss me off, especially all the spam BS. I mean, honestly, it comes with the territory, dude. Because I don't know if you know who Alex Hermosi is, but he's one of the people who's like he really like a lot of people are going to hate, but that's all right because a lot of people are gonna love you as well. So it's like I'd rather have a lot of people love me, and with some hate as well. Because like for me, I know I'm not a scammer, so it's like it doesn't really matter. Once I hit you up on Instagram, you can teach me to do puts and options. Yeah, for sure. Just let me know that it's you from YouTube. Unless you have like the same username or whatever, then yeah. Selling covered calls is a safer strategy in theory. You could never lose, but it costs mad capital. Yeah, dude. Like the good thing is that I have uh, pretty good capital, but it's just like another thing that I did see yesterday was like if if I lost like 10%, it would be like I would have to like instead of like I would go down 10%, but then in order for me to go back up, I would need 13% to like go back up or 12% or something like that. But yeah, I already showed you, dude. Just do $15 out of the money spreads on QQQ and SPY. Dude, honestly, that's what I've been thinking about. Doing spreads on Tesla, Nvidia, etc. is mad volatile. I agree. What is your all-time return, bro? I think I might. Is there any way I can kick this guy out? Um, if you're down this year, you're just a bad trader, in my opinion. Maybe. Yeah, my username is the same. Okay, I gotcha. What is your screen name for Instagram? It's the same thing as this. Shoot, it didn't go away. Add the Osa tree wherever it's at, right here. It's the same thing as on all my social medias, to be honest with you. And then if you're here right now, make sure you guys subscribe as well. If you forgot to do so already. Um, all right, and then let me just check on these guys. We got the same name. Hey, that's what's up, dude. Lots of trolls out today. Yeah, dude. Is that just a picture? Yeah, dude. This is just a picture. It's a screenshot that I took of. I think it was yesterday. How old are you? I'm 25 years old, dude. Is that Bitcoin? No, this is not Bitcoin. He obviously hasn't had it happen to him yet. Show all time. Like I said, if you come over to YouTube, I can show you all the time. But this is just a screenshot. I can't click anything. QQQ is good. Yeah, I love the QQQ. I was thinking about like instead of doing the uh, credit spreads, I would just put like all of the money that I haven't put in credit spreads into selling calls and puts on the QQQ. Because they give you a lot of good premiums. So like, um, I think it was like $150, and that was like you being right 80% of the time, with a point 0.8 delta, and then the percentage was at 80% of your win rate. I started spreads a month ago, and I'm up about $1,200 with a little over 12K. Damn, that's what's up, dude. I watch Henry religiously. I just do QQQ and SPY and Amazon spreads for out of the money 10 contracts per cost about 5K. Damn, that's what's up, dude. Good for you. I love people. I love when people win, dude. That's awesome. Credit spreads are good until you hit that one day where the market tanks or pumps. You lose 40. Yeah, I agree with you. That's why, like I said before, I don't know if I exactly want to do credit spreads anymore, just because of the risk that it carries. Show past month. This past month was actually extremely good for me, dude. I can't show you on here, like I said before, because it's just a screenshot. But for the uh, hello. Okay, there we go. For the past month, I'm up 10.1K or 6%. Should I buy QQQ options? Um, I don't know, dude. Personally, like I said before, I'm doing put credit spreads on QQQ because I think it's either going to stay the same or it's going to go up a little bit. I'm genuinely willing to help y'all. Show your all time or 1 year. Zero DT will blow up his account at some point. Um, maybe, but like that's what I said before. That's why I don't want to do this for the long term. Join and he will show all time. If you guys actually want stock investment, join. And then, guys, if you're on TikTok right now, come on over to YouTube. I have to get off of TikTok Live because my phone's about to die in a second. But come on over to YouTube, guys. If you're on TikTok, make sure you follow me on here. If you have any questions, um, like comment them in the comment section on one of the videos. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Threads as well because I need to get some more followers on there. Uh, but yeah, guys, like I said, come on over to YouTube. I got to get off. I got to get off TikTok because my phone's about to die. But all right, guys, I'm about to head off. Like I said before, come on over to YouTube. What stock is that? Um, it's not a stock. This is just my portfolio. But yeah, guys, follow me on here. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me on Threads. What else is there? I think that's pretty much it. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys later. I'll give you guys a second to do that really quick. I can't, dude, because my charger's over there and I'm live on YouTube. But like I said before, come on over to YouTube. Phone's about to die. But all right, guys, see you guys later. Do you think puts options for UPS would be a hit with that going on? Can't agree with a contract. If you would just do like one contract, that wouldn't be bad. But what's the point if you can't use it? What do you mean? Because you got to save for retirement, dude. There's a lot of people. What's your YouTube? It's at the OSA tree. But if you just keep going through my link, it's gonna be the first link. Should I throw a bag at Tesla? I don't know if Tesla's just gonna keep going up, but You can if you want, to be honest. But all right, guys, I gotta go. Like I said, come on over to YouTube. I'm live right now, and you guys can see exactly what's in my portfolio and everything that I'm doing. Feelings on IDEX. I don't, I don't know if IDEX is profitable or not, but I'll see you guys later. Peace out. Thank you guys so much. And like I said, um, follow me on Instagram, on TikTok, Threads, Twitter, even though Twitter doesn't even like me. Um, but yeah, guys, see you guys later. Peace out. Thank you guys. Bro did not give an answer. You're right. I didn't give an answer. But all right, guys, peace out. Thank you guys. And then come on over to YouTube as well. I'll give you guys a second. All right. Sorry, guys. On YouTube. Let me see. I already said that. Just messaged you on Instagram. All right. Gotcha. How did you get this money? I've been investing for 7 years, ever since I was 18, to be honest with you. Like, at first, I was just working one job. But then I was like, I learned more and more about investing, and I was like, I got to start early. So I had two jobs for like 4 years. So I was working those two jobs, and I just, everything that I made, I just kept putting money into at first it was I'm on finance because um, that's where most of my money was at. Like if you look through my YouTube videos, that's where I started off at first, and then I switched over to Robinhood recently, just so I can sell calls, puts, and do credit spreads as well. Um, but let me know how was your guys' portfolio this past week. Obviously, mine got hit a little bit, down 1.6K, which honestly is not even that bad. I can definitely come back from that. Um, but the big question is, do I really want to keep taking on as much risk as I do? Um, like I do have a coach, but he says only put like 10% to like 5% of your money into doing credit spreads. So then, if the market does go down, it doesn't like take out all of it. I'll do my due diligence on your account. Apologies. You're all good, dude. Just let me know what kind of questions you have, and I'll just answer you right now. So then that way I don't waste your time. But yeah, I've been trying to do YouTube for a while now, but it's been tough, to be honest with you guys. Um, that. But no, dude, you're all good. I understand. Um, but I've been looking. There is one stock that I have been thinking about buying. My bad. I've been thinking about buying Nike. It looks like they like flattened out right here, but who knows what could happen to Nike. But my big thing is that I can sell calls and puts, and then I think their like fundamentals look pretty good. Um, let me see here. And then, as you guys can see, Nike really hasn't been growing their revenue. Actually, I mean, they're still making like some profit, but this is obviously Q4 when they did that. And then during the summer, they did lose some. They didn't lose money, but looking back at this now, I probably will not buy Nike because I mean they're buying back their shares, which means you're gonna own more of the company, and their stock price is gonna go up, and they're paying a dividend. I mean, they have a lot of cash on hand, but most of their expenses are from. Um, they actually have a ton of debt, which doesn't help. Um, but yeah, actually, I think I probably won't buy Nike. Another one that I have been looking at is Johnson and Johnson. Um, so their stock price is down 10%, but with them um, I can sell calls and get a pretty nice dividend. Dividend history. Um, Johnson and Johnson. So if I bought 100 shares of this stock, I would be getting $119. uh, per quarter. And then let me see when they actually their P ratio is pretty high, and they're not even like a growth a growth stock. Um, okay. I'm probably not gonna buy this one either. I didn't see that as well. Um, and then let me check my wheels list. Oh dang, Procter and Gamble went down a lot. Um, Usually for the one day they went down 2%. But let me see. Right? Oh, sure. There we go. Uh, you still do Amazon FBA? No, I stopped doing Amazon FBA. Um, like the profit margins just weren't there anymore, dude. Like I was only getting like 2% profit margins at the end of it, so I was like, it's not really worth it. It's not gonna pay my bills. You still do Amazon FBA or just switch to this instead? And what's better in your opinion? Like selling options and doing card spreads is like more risky, but you can do it at home, which is what I really do like. And then same thing with Amazon, like you can do it at home, but personally, like the profit margins just are not there, dude. That's the main reason why I don't do Amazon FBA anymore. It's just the profit margins, like they really do suck. I was like, sheesh, I'm only doing like 2 to 3%, and that's not even that good. But yeah, that's why I stopped doing Amazon FBA. To be 1,000% with you, it's just the margins just suck, dude. Personally, like I don't know if it was just online arbitrage or if it's happening to like wholesale people too, but there is a guy that I do talk to regularly who is an Amazon FBA seller, and he said the same thing that his profit margins are like going down as well. So I'm like, shoot, I don't know if I exactly want to do Amazon FBA anymore. Um, which is why I actually quit it. But I probably will come back to it once Q4 hits. So like probably like the end of November, early December. Do you trade off news or price actions? Here I'll show you how I trade most of the time. We'll just take the spy because that's actually one of the ones that I've been doing a lot. But I just so I trade options, sell puts. But with this one, I'm gonna do this one. So 6 days out, and then with this one, it says you have an 85% chance of you winning. So for me, I like the delta to be around at least 15. So chance of profit at 85%, and then the delta close to around 15, which is what this one's at right now. Um, but yeah, that's basically how I do most of my trades. And then also, I usually like to do, at first I was doing just like one strike price down, but I'm starting to like get a feel of how like two two strikes down would be. And so far it's been going not bad with what I've been doing, but yeah, it's I mainly just do the delta, and then I also like do see the price action as well. Um, like the trend for this is it's gonna keep going up, but yeah, dude, I like to be a little bit more safe and do like point 15 deltas just to make sure that I have like an 85% chance of me winning this trade. And then even if it does go against me, I can either close it out early or I can roll it out. Um, so like, let me show you how you would do that. Buy put. And that's not even the right one. So we'll do July 14th. And usually you would like sell this put and then buy this put, but we're gonna do the opposite to buy it back. So we're gonna buy that one and then sell this one. So it's the opposite. And then let's say we wanted to go out 13 days. Um, let's see, 432. Mm. So you could do this, sell that one and then buy this one. So it's gonna be $3 like So you're gonna give this one like more time for it to like um, either like go up again, um, or like it could be at this price right here, but you give like more time for it to like stay up there if it does go against you. But like sometimes you might have to do this as well, where you would buy that one back and then get that one, so then you can get 6 cents of credit instead of like I think it was just one. But obviously the market isn't open, so this wouldn't apply until the market does open again. But you could do that, and you would be um, I think that would be like 1 percentage point like lower, or maybe like 0.8%. But obviously, I can't do the trade right now because the market's not even open, dude. But yeah, you could do that. And then, what do you guys think? Do you guys think I should keep doing credit spreads, or should I just keep it safe and just do sell calls and puts um, on stocks that I like already? Because I could also buy 100 shares of the QQQ and then just sell calls on this one. Um, but for me, it would be like 6 days out on the Friday. So I'd be getting $183 for selling a call. Um, and I could just keep like reinvesting back into this, or I can invest into like different stocks. But I don't really know because, like I said, credit spreads, like after I think it was Thursday, I was like, shoot, I shouldn't have this much money in credit spreads. Um, but yeah, let me know what you guys think down below because I really have no idea as of right now. Um, but yeah, guys, do you guys have any more questions, comments, concerns, or anything? Also, if you're new around here, follow me on Instagram, and then Threads is new, so follow me on Threads as well. And then I don't really use Twitter that much because they make it like extremely hard for you to like gain any following. Um, I just do calls and puts. In my opinion, SPY is too risky for calls and puts. Gotcha, dude. Um, like I've been doing it on QQQ as well. Um, but yeah, dude, it's gone up a ton, $74. But yeah, guys, any more questions, comments, or anything? And then also don't forget to follow me on all the social medias. It's all at the Osichui. So, and if somebody does try to message you like to buy something, don't buy anything from them because I have had some people reach out to me and be like, "Hey, is this you?" Um, and no, that's not me. I only like post stories of like if I ever do have anything to sell you guys. I don't like message you directly. How you choose option to buy or sell stock? How do you choose option to buy or sell stock? You can just buy the shares right here. So if I wanted to buy 100 shares, I would do that and then press review, and then it would go right there. Or if you're talking about the actual, um, what's it called, option chain, you can do it like right here. Um, so this right here, you think the stock is going to go up, but you'll have to pay like a premium for it. So you'll be paying $16. Um, and then it tells you right here. So once it reaches 171 or $371, that is your obviously the price that you agreed. And then right here at 371.16, and then after that it's all profit, but that's way more risky, obviously. But basically, the main things that I do is I sell calls and I sell puts, and I try to like do it on stocks that I think are going to keep going up long term. Um, uh, Calls is when price goes up, and puts is when you want the price to go down. Yeah, exactly. That's if you're like buying a call or a put. Nvidia call credit spreads have been good. Yeah, dude. Like I've been doing a bunch of call credit spreads on Nvidia, and they there was one that I did close early because there was this one day that they went up like $15, and I was like, oh shoot, what if this is like the start of their run up again? So I got out of that one. But besides those ones, the other ones I have been profitable on based off price action and news. Gotcha, dude. Um, But all right, guys. Any more questions, comments, concerns, or anything? Um, this was a very good live, so thank you guys all for joining me. And then let me know if there's any stocks that you guys want me to like take a look at as well, because I know on TikTok they're like, check out this stock, like AMD, Nvidia, Tesla, and all those. So let me know if there's anything you guys want me to do before I head out. And some guy earlier was like, um, I bet your notifications are like, what's it called? That you're getting like margin called. I was like, what the freak? My account would be like, would be down a lot more if I had a margin call, dude. Do you have margin? Yeah, dude. I've been using some margin, but to be honest with you, I don't like using margin because what if like obviously if the stock market is going up, you're gonna make a lot more money if you're using margin. But if the market comes down and goes the other way, I'm gonna be losing a lot more money. Um, but yeah, what do you think about Rivian and Hood? Rivian, I've already looked at, and I'm not buying that because they're like, I'll just show you with the numbers. Like obviously, I don't know what they're gonna do in the future, but Rivian. But right now they're like losing a whole bunch of money. Like even though they are up 40, let's say 42%. Well, it says up here 42%. They're losing like a whole bunch of money. Like they lost 1.8 billion, 1.7, 1.6. Like look at all this money that they're losing, and then look at all the shares that they're like putting onto the market, and that's just like that doesn't help you, to be honest. So personally, I'm staying away from this one. The only good thing is that they do have a lot of cash, but that's like their only good side. Uh, yeah, but what do you know if the price is going up or down to buy a stock? Dude, to be honest with you, you really don't know if the price is going to go up or down on a stock. Like, if someone does tell you that they know the answer, like, don't listen to them because, like, even for me, like, sometimes I'll be wrong. So the best thing to do is just close out your position as early as possible if you know it's going against you. Rivian goes up this week. Maybe, dude. Like, it could easily just come back down as well. But yeah, dude. Um, any more questions, comments, concerns, or anything, guys? And then I did, and then Hood. I looked at Robinhood as well, but I don't remember how they were doing. Like with them, they're at least profitable. Um, they have a ton of cash. The only thing that does suck is their net income because they are like issuing more shares, which does suck. Um, but yeah, personally, I'm not gonna buy into them. I know they could run up a ton, but um, I'm not gonna buy into them. To be honest with you, dude. Um, but yeah, I think this is probably gonna be the end of the live, guys. I'll probably be back again tomorrow. Um, to answer like more questions or anything like that. So if you have anything, come back tomorrow, or you can always message me on Instagram as well. It's at the host true. There we go. Do you ever look for patterns or no? To be honest with you, no. Like the reason why like my portfolio went up this much was because I was doing, I think it was a SPY put credit spread, but it wasn't really because I saw a pattern. It was just like I saw it go from like down here to like up here, and I was like, shoot. So then I did some put credit spreads, and thankfully I did sell like up here, but I did buy some more like put credit spreads for like the longer term. But yeah, appreciate answering. Yeah, like I'm not the best like technical analysis like type of person, but I do trade more like on the Greeks um because yeah, I don't really know why, to be honest with you. Um, it's just like it shows you like what's the percentage of you winning. Like of course during that time because this the Greeks always change. So like at this one could be at 85% right now, and then tomorrow it could be like at 70% because it's like super close to in the money. But yeah, dude. Um, but yeah, guys, this has been everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and that's everything. All right, peace out, guys, and follow me on all of the social medias. But peace out, guys. Thank you guys so much.